I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
And hello Philippines, it's me again. Shoutout sa lahat mga Pilipino sa buong daigdig, especially sa mga Marcos loyalists and supporters. Mga bes, nakikita nyo yan, nakikita ko? Wow na wow. Yan po ang Healthway Cancer Care Center Hospital. Oh my goodness. Nako, mga kababayan, for the first time in the Philippines. Sa matagal na panahon, biro nyo, nagkaroon na po tayo ng cancer hospital. Diyan po guys, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, diyan po sa Taguig yan, ipinatayo, no? Wow na wow. Ngayon mga bes, alam nyo kung bakit? Inauguration po yan. Kasama si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Sapagkat mga kababayan, sinabi po ng itong naka-eyeglasses, nakalimutan yung pangalan niya, na dahil sa tawag ng Pangulo, encouraging niya sa mga private sector, partner ng gobyerno, ating pamahalaan, Administrasyong Marcos, na ipatayo yan. Oh, di ba? Mayroon ba tayong ganyan? Wala. Ngayon lang na ipatayo. Biro nyo? Sa tawag ng Pangulong Marcos Jr., na ipatayo yung cancer center. Saan kayo makakita niyan? Ganyan kagaling ang Pangulo. Lahat nakikita ang problema. Siyempre mga bes matinding sakit yan. Kumbaga delikadong sakit. Sa mga tao, especially, sa buong mundo. Yung cancer na yan. Kaya sa mga may sakit na cancer, mayroon na po tayong hospital. Diyan po matatagpuan sa Taguig. Pumunta po kayo. Nako, bigatin at dekalidad ang mga kagamitan dyan, mga kababayan. Tingnan yung ngiti ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ang saya. Kasi ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng ganyang hospital, mga kababayan. Wow na wow. Congratulations sa HCCH at sa mga private sector. Nakipagtulungan. At siyempre sa Pangulong Marcos Jr. Nako, grabe. Talagang nakaka-overwhelm. And congratulations sa ating lahat. Sa mga Pilipino. Kasi, tiyak, dyan dudumugin po yan. Kasi ang iba ay walang kakayanan na pumunta sa ibang bansa para magpagamot doon ng kanser. Kaya ngayon, hindi na sila pupunta doon. Dito na. Yung mga mayayaman lang pumupunta sa ibang bansa, mga kababayan. So, ako'y sobrang natuwa. No? Diba? And siyempre sa ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr. So napakagaling yung kanyang naisip, no? Kinausap lahat niya, Grabe, antindi talaga itong Pangulo na ito, kakaiba. So ngayon mga kababayan, panoorin po natin ang kanya, ibig sabihin, pakinggan po natin ang speech ng itong nakasalamin, mga kababayan. Hindi ko talaga alam yung pangalan niya. But anyway, pakinggan niyo po yung speech niya. At siyempre guys, ang speech ng ating mahal na Pangulo at ang kanyang interview. Thank you po. Eto na.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and to all of our distinguished guests who have joined us today, good morning. It's my honor to welcome you to the inauguration of the Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. This day culminates years of relentless dedication from countless individuals, physicians, partners, and patients who poured their hearts out into making this hospital a reality. As we stand together to inaugurate this facility, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude. Mr. President, in our very first PSAC health meeting, you encouraged us, the private sector, to work in partnership with your administration, the DOH, and our local governments to uplift healthcare, including building more specialty centers around the country.
Galing talaga ni Pangulo.
This Healthway Cancer Care Hospital is our response to your call.
Wow.
A testament to the unprecedented level of collaboration among all stakeholders to improve cancer care for all Filipinos. When we first embarked on this journey a few years back, not only did we recognize the gravity of cancer as a public health concern, but we were also keenly aware of the many gaps in the delivery of cancer care. We saw that over 100,000 cases a year were diagnosed, and we estimated that at least another 100,000 cases were undiagnosed. Of those that were diagnosed, many were diagnosed late stage, many left untreated due to the hopelessness and the massive financial burden. We built this hospital to help address these pressing challenges. Our goal is to be the leading private cancer care institution, providing world-class treatment but at lower cost, so that we can extend the best value private cancer treatment to a broader base of Filipinos.
Wow, congratulations!
Every aspect of this establishment has been meticulously designed and precisely planned with the Filipino cancer patient in mind. Located in the thriving area of Arca South here in the city of Taguig, we have strategically positioned ourselves at a central point in Metro Manila, easily accessible from the south, the east, the north, and to Filipinos nationwide because we're just 20 minutes away from the airport.
Thank you very much to our Health Secretary, De Rosa, for his introduction, the members of the Diplomatic Corps, the visiting ministers we have here with us from the United Arab Emirates, Interior and Local Government Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos, the host city to this rather impressive facility, Taguig City Mayor Maria Larney Lopez Cayetano, other elected officials that are here as well. Of course, the proponent for all of this that we are opening, inaugurating, and bringing to the service of the people Ayala Corporation Health Chairman Fernando Soda de Ayala, Ayala Corporation Health President and CEO Paulo Borromeo, who malapit na magkakaroon ng opisina siya sa Palasyo. I see him more often than some of our other cabinet secretaries. Wala talaga, yun ang ano niya, that's his advocacy. And you can see that, you know, when he's bringing something to the table, he means it. It's not just business, it's not just he means it. It's important to him, and that is why we have encouraged him and tried to support everything that we have been doing from the government side, because it is clearly all very important. So the other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am extremely pleased to join you today as we open this first hospital in the Philippines dedicated to cancer care, this Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. I have to congratulate the Ayala Healthcare Holdings, Inc., and its chairperson, Fernando Sobel de Ayala, for this noble achievement. Let me also recognize the city government of Taguig, the Department of Health, the FDA, for their efforts in accelerating the process to establish this facility. The opening of the HCCH will go a long way in improving access to quality cancer care for many Filipinos. Moreover, this endeavor highlights our strong partnership with the private sector in strengthening our healthcare system, which is aligned with the Philippine Health Facility Development Plan and the Integrated Cancer Program. All of this is geared towards our goal of universal healthcare. With the help of HCCH, we can revolutionize the cancer care service industry in the Philippines through modern, state-of-the-art equipment, coupled with leading medical professionals and oncologists. It will certainly positively reflect on the country's growing potential as a leading healthcare destination in Asia. Cancer still remains as one of the most dreaded illnesses in the country. Secretary Ted Erbosa just informs me that the cancer is now number 3 in terms of mortality for our general populace. However, with facilities such as this, we will allow the main weapon that we have in combating cancer, early detection. Early detection, this allows us for patients the best chance in fighting this disease. We therefore encourage all Filipinos to get regular checkups, now that we have the facilities, by going to community health centers. We have also made available primary care services where patients may consult for early detection of cancer. Our PhilHealth Consulta primary care team is also available to provide free diagnostic examinations and laboratory tests. For cancer treatment, we have designated 25 specialty centers in cancer care in select DOH hospitals nationwide.
Wow.
So I encourage the public to maximize these programs, services, and facilities for cancer care, prevention, and treatment as the government strives to bring healthcare closer to the people. We recognize that there are great financial burdens to cancer treatments. So to ease the hardship of cancer patients and provide equitable access to healthcare, we have also established the Cancer Assistance Fund, which will pay for the cost of cancer diagnostics and laboratories not covered by PhilHealth. So as we establish a more accessible, efficient, and responsive healthcare system, I urge all public and private stakeholders to support the Philippine Health Facility Development Plan and invest in building more health facilities similar to the HCCH. Rest assured that the government remains committed to nurturing an environment that upholds the total well-being of our people, of course, with the continued support of our private partners and investors in healthcare. I believe that this is also, not only is this an important day in terms of healthcare and in terms of our capabilities and capacities to help cancer patients and to also those who need early detection, those who need testing, to give that facility to them. And it is important because we never had anything like this before. And it is a testament to the forward thinking of many of our healthcare professionals, and both in the public sector and in the private sector, certainly. And it is very important, it shows that we put a priority on the healthcare of our people. I cannot forget very early on in my political career when I was reminded. I was governor then, and and my staff could not understand. It says you're using up 1/3 of your provincial budget for healthcare. We've never seen that before. And I quoted to them. I said, no matter how wealthy you are, no matter how successful you are, you cannot enjoy that wealth or that success if you do not have your health. And that is why it is a priority. It may not be politically saleable. Ang lagi kong sinasabi ko, pagka-eleksyon, sinasabi mo, tignan mo yung ginawa kong eskwelahan, tignan mo yung ginawa kong kalsada. What do you say about healthcare? Oh, our people are healthy. That's why people tend to deprioritize it because of political concerns. But nonetheless, I cannot remove that from my mind. I was told, I was advised, healthcare is important simply because nothing else matters if you are ill.
Tama.
Nothing else matters if you are sick. Nothing else matters
president.
if you are dying.
Yes.
And that is why I am so pleased. I am so happy to be here today to see this as we progress in our healthcare system for the Philippines.
Yes.
We have learned many difficult, tragic lessons from COVID. And I am glad to see that we are applying those lessons learned now to the healthcare of our people. This is also important because it is a very clear example of how the whole of society, whole of nation principle can bring success. We in government provide the atmosphere, the environment to allow, to encourage, even to promote these kind of projects. And we have come together, and we have come to this point, to this day, where we are able to say we now have a state-of-the-art cancer care center,
Wow.
which we have never had before.
Yes,
And I
congrats
hope
po.
that this will serve as an example to many others who will say that this can be done, and to encourage them to do more. So let us work hand in hand as we take the challenges in public health and deliver quality medical services to our people all over the country. With all of us striving together in this pursuit, I am confident that we will succeed to bring forth a stronger and healthier Philippines in the future. Thank you, and I wish the men and women of the Healthway Cancer Care Hospital all the best and all the success. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Wow. Ito guys yung interview ng ating Pangulo tungkol dito po sa Healthway Cancer Center Hospital. Pakinggan po natin, okay?
It is a very important day that we are here now in this cancer specialty hospital that has been put up by Ayala Health and their partners Varian here in the Philippines. Kung maalala ninyo, ito yung prinisinta sa atin nung nasa San Francisco tayo tungkol nga sa MOU tungkol dito.
Wow.
Nabuksan, they started 2 years ago in the middle of COVID. Pero ngayon natapos na. So it is a very important development because it shows how working together can produce such impressive results. And it is something that is very clearly needed because cancer is now the number 3 killer in the Philippines. And so you can see that the necessity of it is clear. And the response also has been something that we consider terribly important. So, congratulations to all those who have been involved, both on the public sector side, the private sector side. Ito yung kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, it is a very good example of how our cooperation on all different stakeholders, both in the private sector and in the public sector, and the professionals and ordinary citizens can bring about such impressive results. So we hope to do it even more. All right.
So yun mga kababayan, narinig nyo ang sinabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Congratulations po sa HCCH pala. At siyempre sa mga doctors natin, sa Ayala, and sa ating ibang private sector, sa gobyernong Marcos. Congratulations po. Bye and baboos.